9 brilliant benefits of eating walnuts. These little brain-shaped superfoods pack a powerful punch. Here's why you should add walnuts to your daily diet. 1. Heart hero, rich in omega-3s, walnuts help lower bad cholesterol and support a healthy heart. 2. Brain booster, loaded with antioxidants and vitamin E, they enhance memory and brain function. 3. Natural anti-inflammatory, combat chronic inflammation thanks to polyphenol and healthy fats. 4. Weight-friendly, high in protein and fiber, walnuts keep you full and help curb cravings. 5. Gut guardian, feed your good gut bacteria for better digestion and nutrient absorption. 6. Sleep supporter, contain melatonin to help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. 7. Antioxidant powerhouse, fight free radicals and protect your body from oxidative stress. 8. Blood sugar buddy, improve insulin sensitivity and support blood sugar balance. 9. Bone builder, packed with minerals like magnesium and calcium for strong bones. Snack smart. Stay strong. Go nuts.